get scores out, and I love to take advantage to get the score slowly. But before we get that score, we've got to talk about our crush outside. Just one more time.
Yeah, look. Do you see the windows?
Well, you know what? Instead of that, we're going to do ourselves a little toy giveaway real quick. We're going to play a really simple toy giveaway game.